Hey guys, my name is Aero Tech, back in our tech review. Today we'll be going over the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Alright, got this today in the mail. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing. We're gonna go over a couple specs and stuff. I will make a video later on this week about the comparisons between the Watch Ultra and the Watch 7 and stuff, but let's go ahead and get into this. If you have it the first time on my channel, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll get into the unboxing. So, like I said, got it today in the mail. We're gonna do a quick unboxing. So, ooh, yep, there we go. Get down here. There it goes. Get a little separation. There we go. Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. So I got the silver one. There it goes. Okay, there we go. The watch itself. And then you need to get the band that comes with it. And then also, that's it, it's all in the box. All right, so put that to the side. Give the two bands. Let's go ahead and take the watch out. Here's another seal on it. Okay. And there it is. Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Got this in the silver, or sorry, the gray. All right. Put that down real quick. We got some other boxes right here. Put this to the side. Right here should be your quick start guide. And then on this side, it should be your charger with a Type C. So Type C and charger. So we plug it up, boom, like so. All right. Put that to the side for right now. And here's a watch. Got the new sensors on the back. I'm gonna take this off real quick. Okay. And then here's the comparisons real quick. The Watch Ultra next to the Watch 4 Classic. Okay. Y'all see. So put that to the side. Let's go ahead and open up the band it comes with. This is the marine band. I got this in the blackest, grayest color. I also got the trail band with the loop, which I think would be my favorite band out of this collection. Okay, so this is the marine band. You see, get the holes in it. Got the two prongs that goes in the band. Got a Samsung logo on it as well. I'll get this off my finger. Sorry about that. Okay, that's that one band. And then we got the trail band with the loop. I don't think it'll be my favorite one, but we're gonna see. All this came with the watch during pre-order. So originally, if y'all don't know, this watch, the Ultra, is $649. Samsung offered me a trade-in value for my Watch 4 Classic. So it's not a Watch 6, it's a 4 Classic. Gave me up to $300 plus the $50 promotion. So pretty much get the promotion for $350 for this watch, going towards this watch, which was $650. So not bad at all. But real quick, here is the other band. So y'all can see it. That's look like that. This might be my favorite one out of it. Got the loop, so it's attached like so. You can see that. I said pull, and there it goes. Attached like that. So that might be my go-to band first. So real quick, I'm going to power this up, get it turned on, and I'm gonna get the band set up, and then we briefly walk over the operation system, and we'll walk through it. All right, guys. Before we get it set up and run through the operation system, I did go ahead and buy this case, this silicone case off Amazon. I will leave this down below. Nice little numbering case and stuff. Got a number 60, 15, 30, 45 and stuff. You don't have no other functionality besides protection of your watch. Also bought a screen protector as well and stuff. And real quick, we're gonna walk through how to get these on. So if you haven't seen it yet, it's the top. So I'll put the top on. Groove right here, push the button, push down, snap on just like so. Same concept, push down the button, push, let go. Oh, sorry, try it again. Push down, push in, let go. All right, put on real quick. So I work on how to look at my hand. This is the marine band and stuff. Not bad and stuff, but I think I'm more excited about the marine band coming off real easily. So definitely, if you buy multiple ones later on, it's easy to take off and on. And I'm sorry. There we go. Also, side note, if you want to adjust this portion right here, all you gotta do, find the side that said pull, right? Find the side that said pull up, and it's like so. It comes undone. You can see that perfectly. All right, so it comes undone. You take it out, and you find a groove. These little holes in there. You find a groove you want to put it in, and put it in like so. So we'll say I want to put it right here. Put it in. Take the pin. Pull back up. So I get it to focus. All right. Snap back in place. Then take the band. I think this is the top side, so find the 60. Boom, like so. Clamp in. Let go. On. Other side. Clamp in. Push the button down. Clamp. On or solid. Then take this band here. Crunch it down. And then you go take this and put it on a loop, like so. And then you keep adjusting it until you find your proper settings. So right here is a little bit loose, but not too bad. Watch is not moving at all. So I definitely like the loop band a little bit more. But that's how you put on the bands on. And let's go ahead and walk through the operation system. All right, guys. So we got everything set up. I'm not going to walk through everything because it's the same as a 7, but it got minor and better features and stuff we're going to go over. Real quick run through wallpapers and stuff. You can click wallpaper watch face. You can choose whichever one you want and stuff. I have mine set up to this one. This is the brand new Samsung information tab one, which is right here. Right now I got mine on the Ultra information board, which is nice. Go in here, change it up. And every time you change it up, you can go up to the very top, click on it. You can choose a color format. You can change the background. If you want it black, you want it red, you want it green, you can change that. You want the font colors, or font icons different. You can change it up patterns, how it looks, colors, green, pink, the other rainbow, whatever you want to do, etc. If you want to set up your different tabs you got here, so I got health set up for one, compass for other one, weather and stuff, weather for that one, or you change it to something youthful like steps. Check your steps. Over here, chance of rain, or you can change it to something useful like, I don't know, battery life. I like that more and stuff. And then over here, whatever. So you got multiple ones you can choose through and stuff. I have my already preset up how I like it. This is my watch face I have right now, set up, and etc. If you go to the settings, scroll down, we're gonna go to display. Brightness on here is pretty bright. Turn off auto adapt it, turn it on real quick. So definitely get up there to the brightness and stuff. Put on adaptive brightness for now. Always on display. So if you're not using it, you'll turn it off. Oh, side note, if your watch is not on your wrist, which I thought was pretty cool, your watch will not be on. Okay, so even though it's always on display, as soon as I put the watch back on my wrist, and it detects my heart rate or anything on my wrist, it automatically turn on always display, which is cool. But as soon as I take it off, right, and it's not tracking, it don't have me, it don't set my heart or anything like that, it won't stay on. So give it a couple seconds, and there it goes. So you're always on display, always on display. Sorry, you're always on display will only work when your watch is on your wrist. That's nice, save battery, etc. Okay, scroll down. When you raise your watch on your wrist, it will wake up like so. So sorry, put it back on. I just want to show you that one setting. I thought it was pretty cool. So watch, as soon as I put it back on, it always on display back on. All right, cool. Shake your wrist. You raise it. So right now, technically right now is it's like dimmed out. If I move my wrist and stuff, I raise it up and stuff, it turns on like the remaining dial. You know, if you use different formats like different faces and stuff, and you mute it out, it will like dim out a little bit. But as soon as you move your wrist and stuff, it'll make it more brighter so you can see it. So that's a cool feature to have if you want to do that. Font sizes, don't worry about that. Cool. Touch accessibility. You're wearing gloves, you can put it on. I always turn mine on when I put on a screen protector, just in case it don't function properly and stuff. Buttons and gestures. Okay, so this is how you will use your action buttons, right? So go here. Right now, I'm gonna have mine set on Samsung Health. You set it for multiple options. I'm pretty sure over time they will change and give you more updates as the time go by. They might have more applications on here, but we'll say I want to use stopwatch function. Push OK. Down here, I have it set up where if I do double press, it will turn on. So watch, if I press it once, it won't turn on. It will show that it was acknowledged it, but if I do it twice, 1, 2, didn't turn on the watch. So you can change it where you do short press, right? X out that all together. The one time you can do it where it sets automatically, or I like it because sometimes if I do this with my wrist, it automatically activate. It will always turn it on. If I do double press, it needs that confirmation to confirm that I actually want to use it, right? So I put mine back on Samsung Health. Okay, stop that real quick. Back out, and then I have my Samsung Health open up. I can use whatever exercise I want to use, etc., and continue on. So overall, guys, not a bad watch. Definitely like it. Definitely gonna be wearing this every single day. This band is my favorite. Versus this one, definitely my favorite. $650 is worth the money. Yes, it is. If you don't want to spend that much money, if you got a watch laying around, see how much it costs, or see how much is worth trading value. You'd be surprised. My watch 4, which has been out, years. They had, the 5 came out, the 5 Pro, the 6 Classic came out, and it gave me $350 trading value to go towards this watch. So that's not a bad buy, considering the watch I had was almost 3 or 4 years old. Definitely worth the money. I definitely will leave the link down below for this case I got on here, the screen as well. I think it came together. This strap, I love this strap. This is definitely a, a, a go strap for me. Definitely love that. Samsung did a good job with his Ultra watch and stuff. I do miss that. Now there are some downsides. I do miss that it don't have the physical bezel, but I understand why, because to get more people involved with swimming who want to go down deeper, you need to get rid of that bezel. The battery life had last me a long time. People who usually take their watch off anyways and put it on charger won't have a problem with it. But for those who want to wear their watch all the time, so I appreciate you guys coming out to my YouTube channel again. Thank you. I will leave everything I talked about today down below. Is it worth the buy? I would say yes. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.